Some of the other places that I looked at had very nice facilities, but not near as many amenities as there are here. None of them had the availability of a separate villa-type setup.
When we were showed the villas, we both looked at each other and said, "Oh, perfect for both of us." I mean, it was like we each have a bathroom, we each have our bedroom, and got the garage for her vehicle, and we got our own laundry, huge pantry. I mean, we got the lanai. What else could you ask for?
When you walk in the front door, it looks like a resort. When you go out by the pool, it's all landscaped and looks like, you know, you're ready to jump in. Just walking through the grounds, everything's kept spotless. It's just wonderful.
And the food is superb compared to what we came from. It's night and day. And oh, the happy hours are wonderful. It's just really nice, and they've got a couple of ladies that do the bartending, and it's really cool. It's a good touch that they added there.
If I were to describe the gallery, I would use the word community. You're never alone. If you want to be alone, you can be, but if you want somebody there, there's always somebody there. It's just a group, family type atmosphere.
I think having a community like this is really important at this stage in our lives, because you find that there are people that are very much like you, and you can relate to them and they can relate to you, and you form friendships at this age that you never thought you would form, and you find out about other people that have very interesting lives. It's a lot of fun, really, and you never stop enjoying finding new friends. So I'm very comfortable with the community here, and they have welcomed us with open arms, and I'm very glad.